Hi everyone, today we'll talk about 5 undervalued stocks right now. I made this video last month and it was really popular and I thought I'd make it this month. Kind of some stocks haven't changed, so they do appear in this list from the last video, but it just means there's still a bargain, so you've not really missed out on the opportunities, so take on them opportunities right now and have a look into the stocks. See if you like them, see if you want to invest in them, see if you want to make money on them. Number one, a stock that I talk about so much on this channel, the biggest undervalued stock on the stock market, number one, Alibaba. The growth side of it is just unbelievable, and just China trade war has just took this stock down, only because it's in China, but the growth still continues. You look at the revenue side of it, it's not slowing down. We've got cloud growing at 100%. This is definitely the biggest undervalued stock on the stock market right now, in my opinion. And I could not recommend this as a buy any more than what I already do. It is a stock that is just unbelievably undervalued right now, and every time it goes down, I actually look at the stock and go, how is this still going down? It's so undervalued. So number one is Alibaba. Number two, Facebook. Obviously, since its average daily users has gone down since the earnings report, the stock hasn't really gained anywhere, and I think it's just waiting for some good news or an external report to give it that push up. So it hasn't really gone up much since I put it in the last 5 stocks that are undervalued. So it's still a good buying opportunity right now, in my opinion. Alibaba and Facebook are 2 stocks that I do own. And yeah, just a really good buying opportunity right now for Facebook. You still look at the amount of revenue growth that it's going to have from adverts, and how it's going to increase the advert rate and the prices on them, and the bigger companies that come in to advertise on Facebook, and that will just keep pushing revenue up, and the platforms it has to advertise on, and the spare money that Facebook's sitting on, it is definitely a bargain right now. Number 3 is kind of, I really struggle because I could have put a lot of semiconductor stocks into it, but I'm going to put Lam Research in there just because it's down at a low PE. It's very low off its 52-week high, and when we see kind of like the semiconductors and the tech all kind of pushed together, we see like a good bull market, and this one's quite low. So it's one just to keep an eye on, really. Has kind of good growth still with its revenue and its sales. So it's a good stock just to keep an eye on in that semiconductor play. Number 4 is the biggest investment bank in the world, Goldman Sachs. It's been on like a 12-day losing streak, I think it is right now. I saw on CNBC the other day. No matter in a recession, what have you, this company still grows its revenues. Really good investment bank to get in. Personally, I don't put a lot of banks into my portfolio. I have considered pretty much picking some like Goldman Sachs shares up at some point. I'm not going to it right now. I'm very happy with my portfolio right now. But let's just say FedEx goes up $30 over the next month, then I sell it. Maybe Goldman Sachs is one of those stocks that could come in for FedEx. I don't know, but I just feel like Goldman Sachs is just massively undervalued right now, especially if interest rates actually start going up. And number 5 is another Chinese stock, which is called YY, which is pretty much a Chinese company that is like Skype, but it has a lot more features. You have a look at the EPS growth, you have a look at the revenue growth, it's absolutely sensational. Really interesting stock. If I wasn't in Alibaba, I'd probably have a close look at YY to invest in. Very good PE, and you never know if it ever happens, then maybe 2 Chinese companies in the portfolio. I'm not sure. Maybe it does seem a good value. Maybe if the trade war sorts it out, maybe push the 2 Chinese stocks in the portfolio. But it's a good bargain. So if you're not an Alibaba fan, go check YY out. It's definitely a good buying opportunity right now. A big massive discount. I think it's down 34% year to date. So yeah, a really good undervalued stock right there for you. So guys, those are 5 undervalued stocks that I've chosen for you today. Let me know any other stocks that you think are undervalued. Give the video a like. Thanks for all the subscribes recently. The support on the videos and the channel's been amazing. And I'll see you on the next video, guys.